What's going on, guys? My name is Kyle. You have made it to Obsessed Auto, and today we're gonna work on the wife's Tahoe. Key fob time. Don't mind the random Lexus key. Flip car. Done, just ready to find a new home. Probably need to get it out of the driveway. So hopefully that's coming soon. Anyways, if you want to learn how to program key fobs on a 2007 to, I don't even know when, I'll have to do research to tell you. I would assume 2007 to 2013 GM vehicle. Stay tuned. I don't know what I just did with my tongue right there. Stay tuned. We'll get you rocking and rolling. Get it figured out together. All right, guys, so we're inside, POV style. Don't mind the broken button. I need a new one. Anyways, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna take our ignition key, we're gonna put it in, turn it to the on position. Perfect, no radio on already, I like it. So we're going to push the check box to relearn the key. To find that, I was just pushing the car with the I, the information button. And now, oh, LEDs and a GoPro. This is gonna be exciting for you guys. Anyways, it says press check mark to relearn remote key. So we're gonna push the check mark. And now, what should happen is we should be in relearn mode. So, I'm gonna turn you around, open up my tripod, put you on the dash. So now, with our new key fob, we push and hold the lock and unlock button, and it should, in about 15 seconds, do some sort of chime to let us know that it took. I don't know. Shit, maybe these don't have batteries in them. Perhaps I should check that. They do feel quite light. Do I have any tools in her car? Abso-freaking-lutely not. How about a paper clip? Will that open this thing up? Hell yeah, Will MacGyver. All right, it's got batteries. So perhaps I did something wrong. So we're gonna push the check box. You gotta push and hold the check mark. Now we're in remote key learning activate. Right there. So now is when we're gonna take this key and do lock and unlock simultaneously for 15 seconds. Okay, there's one. Now we're gonna do the second one. Got that one. Now we're gonna do her original. Now we're done. So it's literally that simple. Now we're gonna hit the checkbox again, power off. Well, I guess instead of doing that, let's lock, unlock. That one works. That one works. Old Faded Glory here. That one works. So what you need to know is take all of the key fobs that you want to program and do this all at the same time. Let's say, for instance, I had the two new ones there that came from Amazon, which I will link in the description below. It doesn't do anything for me. It's just easier for you guys so you know what I used. So anyways, let's say that I took those two up here, did the relearn procedure, but I did not take the original. The original would no longer be programmed to the vehicle. So you need all of the key fobs that you want to program in order to do this sequence proper. So now we have 3 key fobs, 2 keys. So we're gonna hide one of these in case the wife loses the keys, and then I can unlock, lock, whatever. So anyways, short, sweet version. I'm sure there's shorter, sweeter versions. However, this is mine. And you're here, so I hope you learned something and got the knowledge you needed to get to program new remotes. I did get those off Amazon. Like I said, I think they were about $13 or $14. They might have been 20. I don't know. Anyways, like I said, I will leave a link for them in the description. Other than that, please like, share, subscribe, hit the bell, all that fun stuff. If you guys do have a question about this, don't hesitate to leave a comment down below. I will do my absolute best to answer every one of your questions. And other than that, I hope you guys have a great day.